So I'm sure if you saw the title of this video, you know this is about installing some LED reverse tail lights on the 2024 Colorado. If you saw the first video of the Colorado series, you know that I actually picked this up just a couple weeks ago. I've actually already installed some interior lighting or LED lighting, just to kind of give it more of a brighter appearance, I guess, or to be able to see a little bit better. I don't know the best way to put it. It just looks a little bit more modern than I guess the regular halogen bulbs. So that's what I'm gonna be doing to actually the reverse tail lights. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a walkthrough. These are actually tail lights or lighting I picked up from Amazon. The brand name's Auxito. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right or not. I'll put an item description in the bottom here and let you all kind of, if you want to pick them up, you can. I think they were $12, not very expensive. These are actually T15s. The interior lighting and also the license plate lighting is T10s. So we'll kind of walk through, I'll tell you the tools that I'm using and kind of show you what that process looks like. And I'll show you some before and after, and see if it's something you'd like to do. Now these are supposed to be error-free, meaning that it's not supposed to cause any type of errors or any issues with the electrical system. So far I haven't really noticed any issues in terms of lighting. I have gotten a OnStar error here recently, but I think that that's been rather common with the Colorados. I don't think it has anything to do with the lighting per se. And also I've had this issue where the truck wants to update, but it has yet to update. And again, I think that's a 2024 issue. I think it was fixed for the 2025 Colorados, and also you can take it to the dealer and have it updated yourself, or you can try to update it over a period of time, which it sometimes does, sometimes doesn't. Mine just has not yet. So I'm hopeful that in a period of time, or as I drive it and have it connected to internet, that it will eventually download the update. But anyways, let's get on to the install of this, and I'll walk you through this process. All right, guys, so to do this, you actually have to let the tailgate down. And your bolts are going to be these two T20s right here. So we'll remove those first. It's rather simple. They're not very tight at all. All right, since we got those out, as you can see, the next step is just actually going to be to pull the taillight out from the frame or the body or the bed, whatever you want to call it. Now, I've already done one, already got it replaced. It wasn't bad. It does make a pretty audible noise, so don't worry, don't panic. It almost sounds like it's going to break, but it won't, so don't worry about that part. It is a two-hand job. So give me 1 second, we'll get that out. It does take a little bit of pulling. It sounds worse than it is. Yep. It will come out. Takes a little force. So when I said there was a lot of pulling, there was quite a bit of pulling on this side. But if you can see, it's just the very bottom one. And you'll twist and turn to the right. Comes right out. Again, that's a T15 bulb. You just pull it straight out. It's your halogen. So these that I got, I think they're reverse polarity, so it means you can just stick them in both ways. Some LEDs are not, so you have to be very careful. Sometimes it's good to test, if you put them in to make sure that they work. But the reverse lights, unless you have somebody else helping you, is a little bit difficult to do. So anyways, you put it in, make sure it goes all the way in. Interestingly, on Amazon, it said that these did not fit the Colorado. They do. It doesn't seem to touch the housing at all when you get them in. It's not a tight fit, really. Anyways, you stick them in, twist them back to your left to lock them, and that's it. So let's see if it's a tight fit going back in as it was coming out. Goodness, this side was rough. Plastic seems pretty tough on them though. I'm glad. Anyways, there's that. It's all lined up from what I can tell. Okay, there's the top. There's the bottom. It wasn't that bad. All right, so all you have to do is put your T20 bolts back in with your, and then you'll be done. And I'll show you the result here in a minute, and I'll show you some night results as well.